Hi everyone, welcome to day one of our Excel course. If you've only heard the name Excel but never actually used it, you're in the right place. Over the next 30 days, we'll go step by step from beginner to confident user. By the end, you'll be able to create reports, analyze data, and make Excel work for you. So first, what exactly is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program that comes with Microsoft Office. Think of it like a big digital notebook where information is organized into rows and columns. People use Excel everywhere. Teachers make grade sheets. Companies track sales. Families plan their budgets. Anytime you need to organize numbers or information, Excel is one of the best tools to use. Let's open Excel together. Go to your Start menu. Type Excel in the search bar. Click on Microsoft Excel 365. When Excel opens, you'll see options to create a new workbook. A workbook is just another word for an Excel file. Let me give you a quick tour of the Excel window. At the very top, you'll see the Quick Access toolbar. This has shortcuts for save, undo, and redo. Just below that is the ribbon. The ribbon has tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, and more. Each tab contains different tools. The big white grid you see is your worksheet. It's made of rows and columns. Where a row and column meet, you get a cell. That's where you type your data. Look here. This is the name box. It tells you the name of the active cell. For example, the first cell is called A1, and right next to it is the formula bar, where you type or edit data and formulas. Remember this. A workbook is the whole file, and inside it, you can have multiple worksheets. Okay, now it's your turn. Open a new workbook and try this simple exercise. In cell A1, type your name. In cell A2, type your age. In cell A3, type today's date. Congratulations, you've just entered your first data into Excel. So today you learned what Excel is, how to open it, and the basics of its interface. Your task is simple. Create a tiny personal info table with your name, age, and today's date. In tomorrow's lesson, we'll explore how workbooks and worksheets actually work and how to manage them. I'll see you in day 2.